abdomen and pelvis, which is really the mess of everything. So we're going to start over on this model. Alright, the first thing we have is the superior and inferior mesenteric arteries, which go to the intestines. So this nub right here is the superior mesenteric artery. Then going down, this part coming out over here to the side is the inferior mesenteric artery. Next we have the left and right gastric artery. I think we'll change that. That's what it has right here. But if we're going to come right up here, and if you see right here, there's actually 4 things splitting off the central point. Right there in the very center is the celiac trunk. So it's a celiac trunk right in the middle there where it splits into 4 points. This point coming down is the right gastric artery. And if we come over here, this is other little artery coming down. This is the left gastric artery. And both these arteries come down into the stomach region down here. So it's the right gastric and the left gastric. Next is the left and right renal artery. Renal points to the kidneys. So left and right renal artery goes into the kidneys. So left and right renal artery. Next is the splenic artery. So back up here to the celiac trunk. The splenic artery is the one that goes out the left side to the spleen. So that's the splenic artery. Back to the celiac trunk. The one going out the right side is the hepatic artery going to the liver. Back down here to the kidneys again is the left and right renal vein. So left and right renal arteries and renal veins right next to each other. Okay. So
Which was this one? The one going like that?
Oh, this one going over this way is the splenic artery, and this one going down here is the left gastric.
So it just changes.
Yeah, it splits off right there.
Okay.
So now we're going down the inferior vena cava. I'm sorry, we're going down the descending aorta, and it splits right here. And these 2 splits are the 2 common iliac arteries. So let's look at this one. And you see this one splits again into the external iliac and the internal iliac artery. And it does the same thing on the other side with the external iliac and the internal iliac going this way. And the same thing for the veins. You have the external iliac vein, internal iliac vein, and common iliac vein going into the inferior vena cava. One more thing here is the gonadal arteries. They branch off right up here, and they go around, and they actually end up down in this region. So these 2 are the 2 gonadal arteries. Alright, now let's get a close-up at some of the hepatic stuff. So here we are looking at the liver, a close-up of the liver. This red right here, you can see is the hepatic artery coming in and providing blood for the liver. This purple is the hepatic portal vein, which has an equal mixture of oxygenated and unoxygenated blood and provides and helps clean the blood as it's traveling through the liver. Up on top here is the inferior vena cava, and there's the 2 parts. There's this prong coming in and this prong coming in, and those 2 prongs are the hepatic veins. And that should be it for the abdomen and pelvis region.